Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Gary and I'm a plant doctor here at the Moana Nursery at Moana Lane. Today I wanted to talk to you about the Quaking Aspen, or Populus Tremuloides. I like Quaking Aspens. They're interesting trees. The first thing that makes them kind of a little different is that they're what's called a Riparian specimen. So Riparian trees in the wild only live along river systems, which means they pretty much are used to having unlimited water for their entire lives. Now, that's not such a big deal when they're smaller like this, but as they grow larger, they like to create clonal colonies, like groves, where there's many trees connected to one another. In fact, the largest specimen on trees on Earth is called Pando, and it's one entire forest made out of many tens of thousands of trees, all the same tree, one large Quaking Aspen, Populus Tremuloides. So, what does that mean for us? Well, when you have it in your yard, it's best to plant just one in the beginning and then let it start growing and spreading on its own if you want to make an aspen grove. Having it many different planted at the same exact time doesn't really create that grove that we want, because those trees are unconnected to one another and they start to compete with one another too for water and resources. Speaking of resources, in the springtime they would benefit from a high nitrogen fertilizer. That's going to help them push out lots of new growth with vegetative foliage, and it helps with their photosynthetic activity as well. That means you're going to get a larger tree a lot quicker, and you're going to let it spread and get that grove a lot faster too. They're amazing trees, and you should definitely consider one for your next project.